Hey everyone, make a bunch on the top section of the hair and have a rubber attach the top middle part of it and create a loop and drop the tail into it and grab some section of the hair to the left and make it come front through the loop. Do the same for the right one as well. Then after that, with the hair below the left section we first had, have it split into two and braid it. So once when you do one cycle of braid, grab a thread of hair from the right section we had in the front and have it braided between. Do the same for the left side and have your beautiful hair clutcher attached to all the sides of it as well. Then have a beautiful hair clutcher attached on the bottom section at the rubber band as well. Grab the sides of the hair, tie it in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside, making a twisted pan. Then split them into two and have it to three parts and braid it and roll the braid to the top, making it as a coil. And also do the other side as well, making it as a bow tie design. Then with the remaining section of the hair in the middle, grab three parts of it and braid it. Once when you complete one cycle of braid, alternatively grab the sides of the hair in the thinner strip and braid it along with it. So you have to do it until you reach the bottom, and after that secure the end with the rubber band and decorate a hole by having some beautiful hair clutches in top and bottom positions. You could also imagine the same hairstyle by making it into one coil instead of two. Make a ponytail on the left section of the hair and have a loop and drop the tail into it. Do the same for the right section as well. Then after that, combine them both with the common rubber band at the back, and after that split them into two and have two more ponytails and have a rubber band attach the top middle part of each of them and drop the tail into it, making a twisted band again. Then make the tails into its parent's loop and have it come down and have it combined by reattaching the rubber band. Then have a rubber band attach the top middle part and drop the tail into it and make it go into its own loop. Then with the remaining hair, have a ponytail and split them into two, and in each of them split them into three parts and braid it. Fold the braid and make it to the top and secure it with a hairpin. Do the same for the other braid as well. If you want, you can decorate with your hairpins. Grab the sides of your hair and tie it in the right middle and drop it inside and making the twisted pan and have it secure with the rubber band. And grab even more hair from below it and do the same by having the knot below the first one we've just created, and grab even more hair from the behind. That's the last section of the hair and have it tied and have it secure with the rubber band. With the remaining section of the hair at the bottom, split them into two ponytails and have each of them into two parts and braid it in a thicker manner closer to each other and have the secured end by having a rubber band. Then do the braid for the opposite side and have it secure with the rubber band and move it to each of its respective side and bend it over and have it secure in the middle knot with the rubber band, and as well as some hairpins. So decorate your hair by beautiful hair clutches you want it. Grab the sides of your hair and tie it in the middle with the rubber band and drop it inside, making a twisted band once again. With the remaining hair, split them into two, make two ponytails out of it, and have a rubber band attach the top middle part and make a loop and drop the tail into it. Do the same for the right one as well. Don't make the tails go across in the first loop we first created and have it come down. Then make it to the other one and have another rubber band attach the bottom part of the tail and do the same by placing the tail right the first one we created. Then do the same for the right one, and with the excess part of the tail, have it come by at the bottom and have it stuffed with the rubber band and make it into the bun. Have your favorite hair clutches decorating your hairstyle. Have a big black hairpin attached to the top part of the ponytail and have another rubber band attached securing it, and bring the tail down and have a rubber band attached to the top middle part bending it down and secure the hair clutcher. Thank you guys for watching this video.